Blogging for Profits, how to earn profits with your own niche blog. In this informative training, we will create a WordPress site and a highly profitable niche. This site is going to be monetized with products from the ClickBank marketplace and through the Amazon affiliate program. If you aren't familiar with ClickBank, ClickBank is the world's largest digital product marketplace, and they allowed product creators, the creators of videos and instructional ebooks, they bring together product creators with affiliates like yourself. And what happens is affiliates are able to earn commissions of up to 75% selling other people's ebooks, video courses, memberships, things like that, digital products. You as an affiliate, you're able to earn 75% commission without having to do any of the product creation. All you have to do is market the products. And we'll also be selling products on your site through the Amazon affiliate program. Amazon is one of the largest affiliate programs in the world, and they offer a great variety of products. If you go on Amazon, you know Amazon sells almost everything in the entire world, and you as an affiliate can earn commission of up to 10% marketing those products. So those are the two ways that we're going to monetize your site. And your site will be created using mostly free and very low cost content, and you're going to learn to drive traffic using a couple of proven free methods. Now, this training, it's perfect for beginners. You don't need any experience. You don't need a lot of money. You don't need a lot of time. So let's get started.